Hi there, I'm Camilo Escobar, Juridas founder, a law academy in artificial intelligence for lawyers and legal teams of lawyers. We teach them the legal foundations of artificial intelligence, of AI. Properly, we teach them the foundations of law in relation to the elements of artificial intelligence, in relation to the particularities of artificial intelligence, of AI. And today I'm going to explain why we are focusing teaching jurisprudence, that is philosophy of law, theory of law, legal philosophy, legal theory, in relation to artificial intelligence. And the reason why is because, in general, human beings, including lawyers, could know different rules, different norms, different principles, different standards about artificial intelligence, related in some way with artificial intelligence, to artificial intelligence. But what is essential is to know the foundations of law, the fundamentals of law, the basics of law, the basis of law, because on the basis of law is defined the way of existence of the enjoyment of rights and fulfillment of duties. In the foundations of law are defined the must have and properly the must be in relation to the way to comply with the law. That is, in the sense of making sure that there is the enjoyment of rights and fulfillment of duties. Because compliance with the law means enjoying the rights and fulfilling the duties. So in the foundations of law are defined the way to let the enjoyment of rights and fulfillment of duties to exist. So the foundations of law are the way to define how the enjoyment of rights and fulfillment of duties exist. So when we know and apply the foundations of law, we know how the enjoyment of rights and consequently the fulfillment of duties exist. And when we apply that, when we apply this knowledge, we make legal validity. We make an environment with respect to its form of existence includes the enjoyment of rights and fulfillment of duties. We create an environment in which there is the enjoyment of rights and fulfillment of duties. So about artificial intelligence, we can attend its complexity by knowing and applying the foundations of law. So we are not focusing teaching different theories about the law. We are focusing teaching the law as a whole, in teaching the law as the whole created by the result of the union of its foundations. That's why we are important, and that's why each lawyer, that can be a junior lawyer, a regular lawyer, or a senior lawyer, or a senior high-level lawyer, need us, you know? That's why we can train, and properly, in general, we can teach to any lawyer this knowledge, our knowledge. The lawyer can be a junior lawyer, a regular lawyer, or a senior lawyer. And that's why even if the lawyers are specialized in this field, they need us, because we are focused in the basics, in the foundations of law. Properly, we are focused in clarifying the form of existence of law. And once the people know, and properly in this case, once the lawyers know how the legal foundations exist in relation to artificial intelligence, they are capable to establish different ways to comply with the law, face to it, face to artificial intelligence, face to AI. That means that they are going to be capable to know how to make sure that there is the enjoyment of rights and fulfillment of duties tailored to the extent of the facts of each legal relationship that involves artificial intelligence. So properly, they're going to upskill their knowledge about the law in general and also about how the law as a whole, how the law applies in relation to artificial intelligence. Thanks so much for your attention, and I invite you to www.juridata.co to know what we do. Bye-bye. Take care. Bye-bye.